In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove Google Meet from Pipedrive CRM. If you've connected Google Meet to your Pipedrive account and you're no longer using it, or you just want to declutter your workspace, removing the integration is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the exact steps, and you can follow along in your own account while you watch or listen. First, make sure you're logged in to your Pipedrive account in your browser. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there, usually showing either your profile picture or your name initials. Go ahead and click on that profile picture or name. This opens a small drop-down menu with several account options. From that menu, you'll want to choose the option labeled Personal Preferences. This is where Pipedrive keeps most of your user-level settings, including integrations that are connected just for your profile. Click on Personal Preferences, and you'll be taken to a new settings page. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll see a vertical menu with different categories. Take a moment to scan through that list and look for the section called Marketplace Apps. This is where Pipedrive lists apps you've installed from their marketplace, including integrations like Google Meet. Once you find Marketplace Apps, click on it. Now you should see a list of all the apps currently installed for your account. Scroll through this list until you find Google Meet. If you have a lot of integrations, you may need to scroll a bit, but it should be clearly labeled as Google Meet. When you've located Google Meet in that list, click directly on the app. This will open the app details page inside Pipedrive, where you can review information about the integration and manage its settings. On this page, you'll see an option to uninstall the app. Look for the button labeled Uninstall and click it. Pipedrive may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the app. This is just to make sure you don't uninstall it by accident, since removing the integration can affect any workflows or meetings that relied on it. Confirm the uninstall, and the Google Meet integration will be removed from your Pipedrive account. Once that's done, you're all set. Google Meet will no longer appear as an active integration in your Marketplace apps list, and it won't be available as an option when scheduling activities through Pipedrive.